Hello, everybody. For exercise 2, we will be discussing the business analytic techniques that we decided to use for Coca-Cola, which is the company we chose. And then also the second piece of exercise 2 is profiling our team and which data scientist positions that we think will best be fit. And we are team 4. I am Nathan Kotis, and on our team is Freddie, myself, Mark, Savannah, and Sophie. Uh, so with the techniques, there's three different analytic types that we identified, and there's descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. And for the descriptive technique, we just decided to use the Bayesian network and time series modeling. And our explanation for this was that it's a good tool to identify large and anomalous patterns in given automated insights to the problem. This will help us find correlation and seasonality when we forecast trends within the analytics. Moving forward to the predictive technique, we decided to use the association rule and logistic regression. We believe this tool will help us discover meaningful relationships between the variables and the data sets, as well as frequently occurring patterns. And this will also help us predict the outputs of the analytics as well. And for the third piece, we chose, or for prescriptive analytics, we chose ensemble models, or symbol models. Um, our explanation for this is it's a way to determine what a company should do by analyzing different models and finding the best opportunities based off of those results. So together, all three of these, we think they're good to identify descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, and will help us identify trends and help us make decision making within Coca-Cola when we go further into our project. So the second piece of the project was what pieces we think each team member is good, which positions. And so myself, I thought I would be a good data wrangler. For a communicator, Mark has good vocal skills, so we decided he would be a good communicator. Sophie chose her strength as a programmer, and then we have two visualizers, which is Freddie and Savannah as well. So that leaves two open positions, which is a modeler and technologist. The modeler should probably have good math and statistical skills when looking at other people that we could potentially hire for the team if we were going to do that. And then also the technologist needs to have a good understanding of computers, computer science, also programs and software as well. And then those skills will help us identify a good person if we were to hire somebody for a team going forward in the future. And so going forward into our project, we believe we all fit these positions very well, and that these are the positions that we all will focus on when coming together to complete the project. And so yeah, that was our project and the end of exercise 2.